This electric bike is built for riders of all heights. Its 750-watt motor is an intelligent pedal assist system dedicated enabling the motor to give assistance to the rider more efficiently. Its removable 48-volt 14.5Ah Samsung battery can last for 5 to 6 hours or 40 to 60 miles. This maximum mile range is more than enough for your daily ride needs. The 8-speed Shimano transmission system works together with the pedal assistance feature to help you overcome steep hills easily. Its Retina LCD system shows the important numbers and statistics of your e-bike like speed, battery level and many more. This e-bike showcases its foldable alloy frame that makes transporting and storing trouble-free. With all the impressive features, truly, you can never go wrong with this e-bike.
Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.